We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming this purple teal cut crease for you guys. If you're interested in watching, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Like this video and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
So taking a Morphe E27, I'm going to be taking the color Fine Wine from Coastal Scents Hot Pots and putting that as my transition color. So now I'm going to be taking a BH Cosmetics number 6 brush and taking the color Maroon Berry, also from Coastal Scents, and putting that right below my transition shade. Now taking this Coastal Scents blending fluff and the color Violetta from Coastal Scents, I'm going to be putting that shade in my crease. I'm just taking the brush I used to blend out my concealer and just blending out the harsh lines. Taking a Morphe M431, I'm going to be taking the black color from the Jaclyn Morphe palette and putting that on my outer V. So now I'm going to be taking the color I used in my crease just to blend out that black, and taking a clean brush, I'm going to blend some more. Now taking a Morphe M224 brush and some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, I'm going to be cutting my crease. Now taking a Morphe G20 brush and some setting spray, I'm going to be taking the color Pool Party from the Morphe Jaclyn palette and putting that where I cut the crease. And as you guys can see, like, I really love this palette. Like, I love how pigmented her shades are, shimmer and matte. Just to be extra, I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics Spoil Eyes To Go palette and that same kind of teal shade and putting that on top of Pool Party. Also from the same palette, I'm going to be taking that blackish shade and putting that in between the teal shade and the black. Now I'm going to be adding more Abyss just so it can show. Taking the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to make a wing liner. So now you want to take the tape off and just be shook at your finished result. Like, you did it, sis. You did that. I'm just going to go back in and blend. I'll do the rest of my face and then I'll come back when I'm done. Show you guys the finished look. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This isn't a finished look. If you like it, like this video, make sure you subscribe, share this with your friends, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.